Unlike traditional AI, Agentic AI is not just an assistant. It's a decision maker. It plans, adapts, and takes action without human intervention. Agentic AI operates autonomously, functioning independently based on data, context, and objectives. It aims for specific long-term objectives and adapts its strategies as necessary. Agentic AI learns from real-world changes, enhancing its capabilities without needing human retraining. It evolves with experience, improving its problem-solving skills over time. Real-world examples include autonomous vehicles that predict accidents by analyzing data, adjusting speed and routes autonomously. In cybersecurity, Agentic AI detects and neutralizes threats proactively, continuously learning to counter new attack methods. In healthcare, it predicts health risks and recommends treatments, assisting doctors for better patient outcomes. The benefits of Agentic AI include efficiency boosts, proactive problem-solving, better decision-making, and scalability. This is the future of AI, systems that actively think, plan, and act to create real-world impact. Let's dive deeper into how Agentic AI is transforming different industries and shaping our world.
Agentic AI isn't just about responding to commands. It's about thinking, understanding, and taking action, much like a human. It all comes down to three core components: cognition, perception, and action. These elements enable AI systems to make autonomous decisions. Cognition is the brain of Agentic AI, the part that processes information and reasons through complex problems. Powered by large language models like GPT-4, it processes vast text, answers questions, and generates solutions. Imagine a medical assistant diagnosing diseases by comparing symptoms against millions of records with no human help. Perception allows AI to interpret the world around it using advanced sensory capabilities, just like humans. Computer vision enables AI to analyze images and recognize patterns in real time, and NLP allows natural interaction. Imagine a self-driving car using perception to navigate a busy city, adapting to traffic and weather conditions safely. The final step is action, where AI executes decisions in the real world, improving its strategies through reinforcement learning. AI-driven stock trading bots analyze trends to make profits automatically, acting faster than any human trader. By combining cognition, perception, and action, Agentic AI functions like a skilled professional making informed decisions. From self-driving cars to AI-driven medical diagnoses, this new wave of AI is reshaping industries and redefining possibilities.
Agentic AI isn't just a concept for the future. It's transforming industries worldwide, reshaping how we work, live, and innovate. In the medical field, Agentic AI is acting as an assistant and decision maker, improving precision, speed, and accessibility in patient care. Surgeons now rely on robotic systems, reducing human error and improving patient recovery times. AI systems analyze patient symptoms and medical history in seconds, providing accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment plans. Chatbots provide real-time mental health support, offering therapy sessions, tracking mood patterns, and coping strategies. Agentic AI is managing trades, detecting fraud, and personalizing investments in financial markets at lightning speed. AI algorithms analyze stock market trends to execute trades in milliseconds, maximizing profits while reducing risks. AI analyzes millions of transactions in real time to detect and block fraudulent activities. Robo-advisors use AI to build personalized investment portfolios, ensuring optimal financial growth. Agentic AI acts as our frontline defense against hackers, malware, and breaches in cybersecurity. Agentic AI proactively monitors network activity, detecting and neutralizing threats in milliseconds. AI-powered bots patrol IT infrastructure, identifying and blocking vulnerabilities before exploitation. Agentic AI simulates hacker attacks to test defenses and strengthen weak points automatically. AI-powered automation in manufacturing has improved production efficiency, supply chains, and inventory management. AI-driven robots build goods with near-perfect precision, reducing defects and increasing productivity. AI analyzes logistics data to predict supply chain disruptions and optimize inventory levels. Amazon's warehouses use AI-driven robots for inventory management and efficient product packaging. Agentic AI plays a crucial role in space missions, allowing us to explore the cosmos with greater autonomy. NASA's Perseverance rover uses AI to navigate and analyze Mars, sending crucial data back to Earth. AI systems aboard spacecraft analyze flight conditions and make adjustments, enhancing mission safety and efficiency.
By 2030, Agentic AI won't just be a tool. It will be an integral part of everyday life, making decisions autonomously and assisting human problem-solving. Imagine a personal AI that manages your life, tasks, finances, meetings, and shopping decisions. These assistants will anticipate your needs. By 2030, AI could analyze public sentiment and suggest policies, leading to data-driven governance with minimal human bias. Smart cities will regulate traffic, waste, and energy consumption. AI will make cities safer and more efficient by analyzing environmental data. AI will transform the legal field, predicting case outcomes and assisting in reviews to streamline judicial processes. By 2030, AI will not only analyze but also create art, writing novels and composing music, blurring the line between human and machine-generated art. While advancements promise a bright future, they also introduce complex ethical challenges. If biased data is used in AI, decisions could reinforce social inequalities, emphasizing the need for fairness. Privacy will become a critical concern with AI monitoring our daily lives and making decisions. How much control should AI have? If AI makes choices without human oversight, accountability becomes a key issue in cases of errors or accidents. As AI takes over tasks, millions of jobs could vanish. We need to prioritize AI-augmented jobs to maintain a balanced workforce. Finding balance between innovation and ethical responsibility is crucial as we transition to a world shaped by agentic AI. As AI continues to evolve, we must ask, are we ready for a future where AI thinks, acts, and makes decisions like us? In the next chapter, we'll explore groundbreaking AI projects that are shaping our future. Stay tuned.
With great power comes great responsibility. The rise of agentic AI brings innovation, but it also raises ethical concerns that society must address. AI systems are replacing jobs across industries, especially in manufacturing, logistics, and even creative fields. AI-powered robots are replacing workers in factories, and customer service AI reduces the need for call center employees. While AI eliminates some jobs, it creates new roles in AI maintenance, data science, and cybersecurity. The future workforce must evolve into a hybrid model where AI enhances human capabilities rather than replaces them. AI models can inherit biases from training data, reinforcing societal inequalities. AI-driven hiring systems may favor certain demographics, perpetuating existing biases. To address bias, AI models must be audited and trained on diverse datasets to prioritize explainability. AI can enhance security, but in the wrong hands, it can also pose significant risks. AI is used in cybersecurity for real-time threat detection, but hackers can also leverage AI for advanced attacks. As AI becomes integrated into military applications, accountability issues arise. Who is liable for AI malfunctions? The challenge is ensuring AI remains a force for protection rather than destruction. As AI systems become more prevalent, balancing security with privacy is crucial. AI-powered surveillance raises concerns about privacy, with applications in mass monitoring and predictive policing. Governments must enforce strict data protection policies to ensure AI developments respect user privacy.
Laws like GDPR aim to protect user data, but AI advancements often outpace regulations. Governments must enforce strict data protection policies to ensure AI doesn't infringe on human privacy. AI in governance could improve efficiency, but what happens when AI systems decide on law enforcement actions or healthcare access without human oversight? Ensuring ethical AI governance is crucial. The key is to strike a balance between AI efficiency and human rights, protecting privacy while ensuring security. The rise of agentic AI brings both incredible opportunities and serious challenges. Job automation, AI bias, security risks, and privacy concerns must be carefully managed. The key challenge will be balancing AI autonomy with human oversight and accountability. Collaboration is essential for establishing ethical guidelines. In the next chapter, we'll explore possible solutions and policies that could shape a safer and more responsible AI future. Agentic AI is shaping how we live and work. If developed responsibly, it can solve global challenges and create endless opportunities. Comment below and let's discuss the potential of agentic AI. Will it revolutionize the world, or should we be cautious? If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI and tech deep dives, as it helps keep me motivated.